Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm known as the guy that's cracked the code on finding private lenders. And I am so excited that I'm going to be speaking for the West DFW REI group on October the 10th. Mark that in your calendar. It'll be a workshop, which is incredible. It'll be from 9 to 1, all about money. One of the hardest things folks have to figure out. I'm going to take care of that. Here's what I'm going to teach. One is my brand new Path to Wealth. I got a standing ovation when I rolled that out to a group. What this does is what is lacking and avoid in our industry, which is how to talk to a private lender and get them all the way down to the closing table. I'll tell you what to say, what to do, what not to do, and how to shift gears to get them to closing. So incredible. You will love that. Also, I hired an SEC attorney. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I hired this attorney to research your state and every other state. And when he got done, he said, "Hey, I wanted to thank you." I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Well, I'm moving into my new house and you paid for it." That's not what you want to hear from anybody, but it gives you an indication of the moral obligation and dedication I have to you to make sure that I've got things covered. And so what I will do in the workshop is I'll speak for a couple hours. I'll answer questions. We'll take a quick 10-minute break, and then I will get into the legal stuff. I will teach you what you need to know for your state, and then at the end at 1 o'clock, I'll open it up for questions a second time because I want to make sure that you are crystal clear on what you can do, and you're going to love that. In fact, you've got something very unique on getting private lenders that only 2 other states have, and you're very fortunate to have it. I'll get into that too. How to buy houses with zero marketing cost and very little work. It is really a great system that I set up. And also on commercial folks, about 35% of my student base is commercial folks, so take care of that too when we get into the legal stuff. You got your funding out of order if you aren't using private money. And I know that might be a shock to you, but once I teach that, it will clear it up and you will be amazed at why your business is so rough on you and how easy it could be if you take my advice on that. Also, the pot of gold, which is what everybody's looking for. I'll show you where that's at with private money, and then how I got started and so much more. What I want you to do is to go out to your website. You can see it's October the 10th, 9 to 1. Go out to your website and let's get started on this. Saturday, October 10th, mark it in your calendar, 9 a.m. to 1. And then down here on this link, I made REI small so you could differentiate some of the words. West DFW REI group.com. You can make them all capital letters if you want. Just go ahead and go out to the site and sign up.